Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Because I'm not thrilled with how this turned out, I want to fix it, especially since I have another painting that I want to fix. So I'm going to use this one as my experimental ground. I'm going to use some Chantilly lace as a base. I kind of like that black thing that I'm about to get rid of. And I want to use some purple. I think it's going to be African Violet. And I'm contemplating another purple, which could be Waterlily. It's quite a bit of paint. I want a blue. Blue velvet is easy. Let's give it a bit of a shake. I've had issues. Now I want some orange, and that's just crazy. But I'm going to try it. I hope I don't regret it. And with that orange, I'm going to use a cell activator of Dancing Fuchsia. But first, I'm going to use some Atelier turquoise. I may come back again and do some black. That blue is fine, but I want some pink carnation in there as well. And here's the Dancing Fuchsia. And they might be far too big. Let's try with a straw. Not too bad. I'm wondering if maybe a little black would make me happier. But I gotta get it open so it breathes. I really like the dark purple I have also. Which I could use over here with that turquoise, I think. That's a dioxazine purple. I think I'm going to need a little more. I want to do that to the other two, even if it destroys them. I want to try a Chantilly lace flower just because I'm here and I want to use the black and see how it goes. Maybe I'll start with the Dancing Fuchsia and see how it goes. I think I need an odd number of flowers. So this is kind of crazy. Do I want to do that? No, I want to put some orange in there. Maybe it's not orange I want. Maybe it's yellow orange. Without Klingons that are going to fall on the artwork. I think that might be too late. I might have missed my opportunity. Usually if I work on something long enough, I can bring it around to my way of thinking. Any way you look at it, this is not a bad background for something else. Even if I have to add green stems. A little more dioxazine purple. Come on, drip. Thank you. That might require a spiral to make me happy. Let's go for the turquoise. Do I want to do just turquoise? I think I want the blue again. Do I? I've got parrot wing blue. I'm not sure I can get any out. How about a little tiny dollop of Whispering Wisteria? That was Dancing Fuchsia. That's kind of cool. Doesn't make me want to quit anytime soon. I never use just one color and do a cell activator, but I want to try it. So I'm going to force myself. I can always add a new center if I want to. Need a new straw. That one's got spit coming out of it. I actually like that one up here. What other color flowers can I put in there that'll make me happy? I think another yellow one would be good. Maybe more than one, maybe 4 or 5. Let's just go to town. Use a little saffron. I've got ginger flower. Which is a primary element. I know if I do the turquoise I'll get green, so I'm going to give that a miss. What color do I want? I want the purple. For some reason the purple seems to be okay on the yellow, which is kind of cool. That's beautiful. That worked out well. All right. That one not so much. I'm going to give the center a spin, which usually helps. Alright, Dancing Fuchsia Cell Activator. For those two, I'm holding a paint cap in my hand. I need something, I need an orange. And I've got a red orange from Atelier. I'm glad I didn't open it all the way because it comes out too fast, I remembered. I like the little flowers a lot. I hope that's cell activator. If it's not, I'll put a new center in. Now, if I put a couple leaves in, I should be all set. And for that, I'm going to try a little peacock. Looks like there's a little bit in there already. This is very unorthodox, but I don't care. I like it now, and I didn't like it before. So I'll try the skewer technique. Not that I really believe that they all need to be attached to anything, since it's such an abstract piece of art anyway. But I could put some in a dish. Could I? If I had one? To act with that, I'm just going to put it right down on here. I like it better with the green. And I could put some more if I felt it was necessary. And I kind of do. Certainly isn't hurting anything, and I really like the color addition. And I got rid of a painting that was hanging around and bugging the heck out of me. And I really like what I've got in the background as a background. I'm always trying to make backgrounds and coming up with paintings. So this time I came up with a painting and I made it into a background. Need a couple tendrils at the edges of these so-called stems. I'm pretty happy with that, actually. Much happier than I was. Some of the flowers are really cute, especially that one I mold up there. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.